The Philadelphia Experiment, Teleportation or Time Travel. The Philadelphia Experiment remains one of the most enduring and provocative legends in military history, an alleged top-secret US Navy project that supposedly resulted in teleportation, invisibility, and even time travel. According to the story, in October 1943, the Navy attempted a radical experiment on the USS Eldridge, a destroyer escort stationed at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. The goal is to make the ship invisible to enemy radar. What witnesses claim happened next has fueled decades of conspiracy theories. Accounts describe the USS Eldridge being surrounded by a strange greenish fog as powerful electromagnetic fields were activated. Moments later, the ship allegedly vanished, not just from sight, but from Philadelphia entirely. Reports claim the vessel was seen the same day in Norfolk, Virginia, over 300 miles away, before reappearing in Philadelphia minutes later. Some versions of the story say the ship even slipped briefly into another dimension or time period. What truly cemented the legend were the horrifying stories of the crew's fate. Witnesses claimed sailors were found embedded in the ship's metal hull, while others suffered mental breakdowns, disorientation, or vanished entirely. These chilling details gave rise to the theory that the experiment unintentionally created a powerful distortion in the fabric of space-time. The source of the story traces back to Carl M. Allen or Carlos Allende, who in the 1950s sent letters describing the event to UFO researcher Morris Jessup. Allende claimed the experiment was based on Einstein's unified field theory, a hypothetical framework that could theoretically link gravity, electromagnetism, and space-time. To believers, the Philadelphia experiment represented an early attempt to manipulate these forces, an experiment so dangerous that its results were immediately buried. Skeptics, however, argue that no credible evidence supports the event. The Navy has consistently denied that the USS Eldridge was ever in Philadelphia in 1943, pointing to deck logs and wartime records. They insist the only related research at the time involved degaussing, a technique to reduce magnetic signatures and protect ships from mines, not to render them invisible. Still, conspiracy theorists claim the government is covering up the truth, linking the Philadelphia experiment to later alleged time travel programs like the Montauk Project. They argue that sudden advancements in classified technology, secrecy surrounding military research, and missing scientific documents suggest something extraordinary did occur. Was the Philadelphia experiment a breakthrough in teleportation and time manipulation, a misunderstood military procedure, or an elaborate fabrication? Decades later, the mystery endures, inviting endless speculation about how far the boundaries of science were pushed in wartime secrecy.